Hello everybody, Mr. Rubo here, and we have our last topic 2.13 video, logs and exponential equations and inequalities. So this one, it's going to be nice. So on the AP Pre-Calc exam, the free response question number 4 will always require students to solve various log and exponential functions without a calculator. So below are a part of the directions students will see on the free response problem, along with 2 sample questions that could appear on one of those FRQs. So straight AP style question. So directions, no calculators allowed. Determine the exact value of any expression that can be obtained without a calculator. For example, log base 2 of 8 can be written as 3. Combine terms using algebraic methods and rules for exponents where applicable. For example, 2x plus 3x 5 squared times 5 to the third, x to the fifth over x squared, and natural log of 3 plus natural log of 5 should be rewritten in equivalent form. So you have to always simplify, is what this is basically saying. All right, so we're going to do this first example for this video. And just use the properties, okay? So it tells us f of x equals e to the x to the raised to the fifth over e to the 1/4. Solve for f of x equals 1/2. E to the 1/2, sorry, for values of x in the domain of f. Well, let's go ahead and set this up. So they want us to just substitute this in. So we're going to say e to the 1/2 equals e to the x to the fifth over e to the 1/4. Okay, so we got to use some properties here to start solving this. So when you look at this, one of our properties, we have power property, and then we have the division, the quotient property. So this right side, I'm going to go ahead and simplify twice. So I'm going to say, okay, that's multiplication. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the quotient property, which means it's subtraction. Okay. There are other ways of doing this one, but this is the way I would initially see it. We could have also multiplied both sides by e to the 1/4. It's really up to you, but what ends up happening here is the e's cancel. So then you're left with 1/2 equals 5x minus 1/4. And now it's just a matter of solving this. If you wanted to, you can multiply everything by 4 to get rid of the fractions. So we get 2 equals 20x minus 1. So we get 3 equals 20x, and x equals 3 over 20. And that is our answer. If this was a log, you would have to substitute it back in just to make sure that what you got wasn't exponential. That's why I was kind of give you the hint of x in the domain of f. But exponentials, the domains are all real numbers. 3 over 20 is indeed a real number. So there you go. And that's it for this one. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.